Alright guys, here's another one off eBay. Just done a square there, and I think I'll probably not need that. I think this could be the other square, although maybe not. Nope, I'm seeing plastic packaging there, so this will be the Yale. I will be needing that after all. Okay. I've never, oh, it's a bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. That's what she said. Okay, I've never seen one of these before. There's the keyway on it. This looks like standard stuff. I don't know what they expect from this. Probably just fucking saw that of them. Right. All that packaging's a bastard. Yes. I'll not bother with the keys just a second. It feels a bit rough. It looks nice, we'll give it that, but the shackle has like a rough kind of texture to it. It's not very well finished, but the body's nice. The model there is YE1. Yeah, it's a 40mm shackle. It seems a bit small for a 40, but okay. And that'll tension with that wee one there. Let's see. I'll go in with a short hook actually for this one here because the keyway is quite small. So, okay, got a set there. Okay, good, we set off pin 2 there. I wouldn't imagine this has spools in it, but it might do. Padlocks like this, if the bitten is a bit, if the bitten is tricky, they can actually be a fucking pain in the arse. So there's something binding at the back there, but I can't seem to get it around. Okay, gonna go with that hook there. See if we can get that. Okay. That's it there. That pin at the back was giving me jip. No security pins on that one. I only got that because I've never seen one before, the YE1. I'll wait look at the bit before it. Let's see. Ooh, quite a high pin on one. Black background. There you go. That's the bit on the key for. Very deep cutting pin one there. Actually, I'm surprised they didn't get any problems out of that. And that's it. Working with the key, non-key pin, obviously. Yeah, it's a nice relock that. Not too bad. Alright, 4 minutes. Fucking hell. Thanks for watching.